Hello and welcome back to EXSS 490. The next session we're going to talk about professional development. This is a very important part of this course. As you can see, under the professional development tab, the assignment is here, the way you document that assignment is here, and the video that you just clicked on is here, as well as where to submit your professional development. Below that are some different opportunities you have for professional development. As you can see, there's some webinars. These are all webinars. And there's also a link to the Career Services calendar. If you click on this calendar, you'll see different activities that Career Services offers. Currently, it is not up to date for the coming up semester, but it should be very soon. You can click on that often to find out new activities that are going on. Several professors will be doing studies and will be asking for subjects for those research studies. Right now, Dr. Dietrich has a study and there's a foam rolling study going on as well. So if you click on either of those links, you can become part of a research study. The professional development opportunities will continue to grow throughout the semester. So if you click on the Professional Development Activities tab, you will find a list of what you need to do in order to do this assignment. You need to attend or do 2 professional development activities. This list is not at all inclusive of the things you can do. For example, if you are a certified personal trainer and you attend a CEU class, that will count as professional development. If you go to a conference, maybe with one of the professors, that would also be considered professional development. If you have any questions or you want to ask if something is professional development, please let me know. So professional development opportunity number 1 is doing a couple of webinars, or one webinar and one other thing, and there are several links to that. You can also set up an individual appointment with someone from Career Services, or you can attend something on the Career Services calendar. Dr. Kaliba and Dr. Dietrich are both conducting research studies right now, and you can be a participant in one of their studies as well. So these opportunities will be updated regularly, and so you need to make sure you keep on top of that. In order to document the professional development, you're going to do this page here. For each activity you do, you list the answers to these questions and sign the form. If you do an online activity like a webinar, obviously there will be no one to sign it, and that's okay as long as the rest of this is complete. However, if you do a study with one of the professors on campus, or if you attend a Career Services activity, this must be signed. As you can see, there are two proofs of attendance on these, and you can print it and take it wherever you need to go. You can type in it if you do the things at home, and you can submit these through the Moodle site. If you print it, you can either scan it to turn it back in on Moodle, or you can take a picture of it and submit it that way. And obviously where you're going to submit it is right here. So you're going to submit that professional development there. Please note that the professional development activity will be due very close to the end of the semester, so you want to make sure that you are keeping on top of the dates. So check your syllabus to see what time the professional development activity is due, and be sure to submit it before that time. Hope you continue to stay on top of this class, and I'll be back shortly. Have a great day.